can I wear sunglasses on my driving test? So you'd be shocked at how many times we get asked that. The unequivocal answer is absolutely yes, you can. Okay? If the sun glare off the road because it's been raining and then it's sunny again, or the fact it's just a really bright day is going to affect your visibility, then wear sunglasses. In fact, I actually encourage people to bring sunglasses with them on their driving lessons because it helps them get used to driving in sunglasses. If you have prescription lenses, I would really recommend you going to the optician and seeing if you can get a sunglasses version of your glasses as well, that you can keep in the car or whatever, just so you've got them in the car should you need them. If you can't see, as in see clearly, perhaps the road is reflecting the sunlight because it's wet and now the sun's out quite brightly. That can happen in the winter quite a lot. Then the road can sometimes just look a complete sheet of white, which means that seeing junction markings and road markings and things like that are really difficult to spot. Whereas if you've got your sunglasses on, whilst I'm not saying you'll spot them perfectly every time, you got more of a chance of spotting them, and that's what we're in for. We're looking to try and up your chance of passing the driving test. The examiner, if I'm honest, they'll get in, and if it's really sunny, they'll probably put sunglasses on themselves, okay? A lot of people say don't wear sunglasses because the examiner can't see your eyes. Realistically, the examiner is so used to looking for you checking your mirrors, etc., they will 100% be able to spot whether you've checked your mirrors, whether you've got sunglasses on or not, okay? I'd also say that realistically, if you're going to be checking your mirrors, a quick flick of your eyes is not really enough. You know, you want to be looking at the mirror, because if you look at the mirror, you're going to see more. I liken it to if you're, I don't know, squeezing a spot on the end of your nose. You don't do it from a right angle position to the mirror, you look at the mirror. And if it's important enough to do it then, it's definitely important enough to do it while you're driving. Okay, so in a nutshell, yes, you can wear your sunglasses. In fact, definitely wear your sunglasses if it's really bright, low sun in the winter, just a bright day in the summer. If it's been raining and you know the sun is now hitting the rain, which is causing flash glare off the road, things like that, definitely wear your sunglasses. And at the end of the day, like, you're not going to fail if you wear them, but if you can't see the road markings and you go off the end of a road without being able to, without checking it's safe because you didn't realise they were there, you're going to kick yourself. Yeah. Okay, so end of that question. Hopefully that's answered the question for you. If you want to ask us a question, if there's something we've not covered yet, please feel free to send us an email. I'll put the email on screen and down below. Send us an email and we will do our best to answer that question as soon as we can. Okay, take care now. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. GoPro stop recording.